Hi, I'm Randy with Capital Heating and Cooling. I'm the trainer and safety supervisor here at the company. As you see, we're in the lab right now, which is approximately 2,000 square feet, and we have hundreds of pieces of equipment here, from thermostats to furnaces to IEQ products, which we train all our technicians on to make sure that they're up on all the aspects of what to inspect in a furnace and to do it safely. By saying that, I'm very confident, because I've trained many people, that our team is well versed at taking care of your equipment, depending on what brand. It doesn't matter what the brand is, because we train everything. So I'm very confident that we can give the workmanship on repairs, that we're doing our best work for you.
Do you train, how many technicians have you trained?
Oh, I've probably trained over the years, probably hundreds of them. I've been doing this work for about 38 years. I was a service technician before I came in the office to do training. So I've been doing training here at the company a couple of years now, but prior to that I was a service tech, so I've worked on equipment from basically from the 40s all the way up to now.
And then what about, Capital is known for customer service. So what do you do to teach the technicians about customer service and how to treat the customers with respect?
Well, what we do here is we do a lot of role playing, and we have role playing to be able to understand how important you are to our family, that we want to treat you with the utmost respect. So we go over that quite a bit. So when they come to your house, they're pleasant, they have good eye contact with you, they tell you what they're going to be doing, so you're fully informed of what's going on.
Great. And then lastly, Randy, when you're not here at Capital, where can someone find you?
Probably on my motorcycle.
That sounds like awesome fun.
Yeah, I do like to ride.
Awesome.
I like the freedom.
Well, thank you.
Well, thank you.